Hi all, Rufus Roughcut here. Just a quick prelude, part 2 is coming up for the wall hanging of the cabinets. Just to let you know, if you watch to the end, you'll see the net gain that we made by actually putting these cabinets up. Also, another thing I wanted to mention was there is going to be a third part to this video. It's going to be called part 2B, and what it is, I'm going to give you a detailed description of how to actually use the hanging brackets and a detailed description of how to use the hinges and what the different screws do on the hinges. So I'll put a link in the description for part 1 of the video, and I'll put a link in the description for part 2B about the hanging brackets and the hinges. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Hi all, back in the cave after a bit of a sleep. Got our cabinets made here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fit them on the wall, but before I do that I'm just going to try the hinges. We've got these hinges here. They're soft close and they're quite smart actually. Bring that over there and you can see that closing in. Probably see it better when we fit the door, but I love them. A little bit more expensive than the normal hinges, but they're worth the money. So I'll do, let me bring this camera around and we'll face you into the cupboard. Bring it back a bit. And over. That way. Yes, because we're going to put one of these in the cabinet. Now we changed the screwdriver here. I was using a PH, which is the Phillips, but quite an easy way to test is to see if the screwdriver will hold them, and this screwdriver will not hold that at all. But we've got the PZ, which is the posi drive. We put that in there. That screwdriver holds that quite well. That's right, and that just clips in. And that's in. Pretty simple. To take it out, we've got a little lever there. We press that and that will come out. So try again the right way around. Put that in. That's in. Simple as that. So we've got to fit this to the cabinet. Double check this again. So that will go on there like that, and that will go on there like that. Oh, oobly dee flipping bloody bloody da. All the way over the back. Typical. As far as it could go. Enough already. Yep, that's the one. So that wants to go in that way round. I'm doing this left-handed now, so excuse me, so you can see. What am I doing? It goes on the bottom. Flipping idiot. Oh my goodness, why didn't somebody tell me? I suppose you would have done in the comments. I suppose you commented by now. Let's take this out. A flipping idiot. No damage done. Oh, good grief. Well, at least you see the mistakes as well. So this is our right hand cupboard. Once we turn it upside down, no, we can't because the things are on the top. So this is our right hand cupboard. And we'll have to do the left hand cupboard. That's it. beautiful. Let's swap these around. Might as well put it here. And I reckon kids could hang off that now. It says not to in the instructions, don't let the kids hang off it. So, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to fit the door. See what it looks like. I'm going to bring the door in and fit it. See how. What we do with this is we pop them in there and pop that one in there, and we get our little screws. Let's just check which screws we need for that. I think, oh, they're here. They're here. These little teeny things. Well, I reckon they will hold 14 kilograms. But it's shear pressure, I guess, so let's see what screwdriver we need for that. That's the Phillips. And that feels a bit more secure actually, the PZ, the posi drive. Again, there's no adjustment on there, we just drive these in. You can't even see that. I'll drive them in. Nice. Right, let's just bring that cabinet back up and have a look. Move this out of the way. Oops. Edit. Come here. Move that over there. Fuck's sake. That's it. So let's see if we can get this door attached. It's as easy as it looks. Bit of room. Now they do. These have changed vastly since I was a lad. And I don't remember ever using soft close hinges, so I don't quite know what I'm doing, so bear with me. That's not far off, that's on. Checking on the bottom a minute, a bit. Let me just put it on a couple of sticks. let's see. That's it, that's on now. Ah. That's the protective. It's not quite level there, but it's working. Yeah, it needs, that door needs to come up. We can do that with the adjustments, but there's your soft close. Nice. Like it. I like it. So it's a matter of bringing the bottom needs to go out and the top needs to go in. So let's have a quick go. Take the lock nut off, which is that one there, I think. Yeah, that takes it in. Take this one out. Nearly there. Nearly there. It does need to come out a smidgen. That's okay there. It's not parallel. That needs to come. It'll probably hang better. The best thing to do is get that on the wall, but yeah, that's alright that. It's catching there a bit. Oh, I'm having that. Anyway, I'm going to take the door off and then fit it to the wall. And that's how easy it comes off. Easier than going on. Get it out of the way so I don't damage it. So, I've had a quick look at the wall. Let's move these out of the way. The Dremel and the extraction. We'll get that out of the way completely actually. Just take that out of the way completely. Bring this over. Let's have a look, see what we've got here now. So, where are we going to position this? I've got centre between there and there is here. I'm not going to go right to the roof with these. They're 72, so I'm going to leave a gap. I'm going to leave a gap about the same as that, because if I leave the gap, it also means that these cupboards, the tops of the cupboards, connect as a shelf, and I can put some wood up there which spans across. So yeah, I'll go from there and let's measure that gap there. So what I'm doing is measuring just above the doorway there, and I want the top of the cupboard about there. If I did that to 28, it's about 29. We'll do it to 29 centimetres. We'll do it. And then we're going to have a look at the destructions. So give me a minute and let me work out the measurements. Back in a sec. Bring it a bit closer. Yeah, I'll show you these marks. Just about to see them on the cam. So, corner of this here needs to be on my mark, which is there, and I've done them holes there. So that's them. Let's see if we can bring them into view. these here, and there, and there. So I'm going to turn this off now and drill the holes. I'm sure you don't want to see me drilling 2, 4, 6, 8 holes and listening to the noise, so I'll turn it off for a minute. So I've drilled the holes, nice and tidy. Well, say nice and tidy, it looks a right horrible sight, but they're the holes all in a nice straight line. What I'm going to do now is just show you these plugs. I'll bring the camera down so you can get a nice close-up of these. I'll explain how these things work. That's my plug. There's a little hole there, and that's my screw. So I've made sure that that hole is as long enough for that screw. That will go in, it's going to be hammered in, it's going to be tight. So when that goes into there, what it does, when it comes through that hole, it starts to bite on that hole, and it starts to pull that raw plug in, and it expands there, and that should give me a really nice tight grip. If it was only going there, yeah, we'd get a grip, but what we want is it to get through there, so it starts pulling this and compressing it against the side of the side of the hole in the wall. Let's put that back up there, and I'll start knocking these in. 1, 2, 3. There's one missing. It's over here, I guess. All right, let's get our hammer and let's see if we can get these in. I might have to widen these holes a little bit. No, that's what we want. Nice and tight. I'll probably twist the heads off the screws now, but this is what we want. Lovely. Nice and tight, and that's flush with the wall. Right, so I need another 5 of them. Not cheap, these things either. Not far off, like 30 or 40 pence a piece. But these are good ones, they are flipping good. Now I do reckon you could get kids to hang off these flipping cupboards. We will see. That's it. Put that one in there. That's tight. Let's put a bit of torque on and see where we are. If we can get to about 10, I think we might be alright. We've got a little bit of play on. It's all about the balance. All about the balance. All off now. Thing is, check the. Hey, having that? Having that, Barbara? 0.2. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to zoom in just so I can see it. Come on. Flipping there. Come on, zoom, little monkey. I'll zoom. Alright, easy thing to do is this then, isn't it? it's mirrored. There. It says 0.5, it's not, it's 0.2. I promise. Do that. God, none of the buttons are flipping working. Okay, let's have another go. Slight adjustment. Couple of tippy tappies with the hammer. Got a little gap there. Yeah, you can see that. Where's my special screwdriver? There it is. How much have we got on there now? We'll have a look. We'll have a look. We'll have a look. That's just tightening it up, isn't it? Okay, drop it down a bit. Drop it down some more. And just take it in. I'll take it inside first. Okay, that can come down. That wants to come down. I'm going to whack a screw on that. That wants to come down. We could actually push that up a bit. Put that up. Bring that up a touch. Take a bit of tension off that. Push that up. Yeah. That's good enough. That's good. That's good, yeah? Yeah. Get this back. That's looking well, that. Yeah. Whack a screw on that. Silente. Bring that in. Close the gap. Close the gap. I will close the gap in a moment, but you'll believe me. That'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Let's have a look at that. Nice. Let's have a look at the level. That's okay. 0.3. 0.3 will do me. That'll do. That'll do. What we want is a couple of screws to go in there. I think they're too big. Just. Let's see what we got here. How many knees? Let's have a look. Just got to be careful because I don't know where I want the shelves. Well, I definitely don't want one there, and I definitely don't want one there. So we'll try that. Let's see if I need to put a dowel in there. Nice. Turn the torque down a bit. Nice. Lovely, jubbly. And going to be about there, I don't want it there. That'll do for now, that'll do for now. Let's have a look at the door. Chickadee, chickadee, how you and I cry. The sun is in the sky and shining above you. Right, back off here, boys and girls. Bit dark in here tonight. My bulb's gone on me. Okay, so final part of the wall hanging of the cupboards. What I have done is I've put some extra brackets on because I'm going to put a fair bit of weight on this. So on there I've put some extra brackets on the top and also underneath I put a couple of brackets, one in that corner and one in that corner. I've also remounted my towel holder with my remote control Hoover thing on it, being remote control for my Hoover. So I'm gonna mount the shelves in the cupboard, or fit the shelves I should say. So yeah, let's have a look at these shelves. So we've got these little things and we just put them in with the flat side facing up. So I'm going to put one as close to the bottom as it will go. On there. Might need to tap these. So, shelf number one. Finished on 3 sides. Sorry, finished on 1 side. Well, it doesn't have to be. Let's see if we can get this in like so. Top corner. And in. Yeah, very good. And shelf number 4. So that is basically complete. Bit of dust in there. Oh, I think it's quite smart, that. And you can see I haven't took it straight up to the ceiling because this will be quite handy to store pieces of wood on, hence why I've put the extra brackets. Chuck some wood up there, so there's a little wood storage. Not going to store all my wood up there, obviously it'll weigh a ton, but this is a 2.4 metre piece of scant construction stud wall timber. There's loads of that. So, this is phase one of our cave space saving optimization projects. This first phase we'll call wall units or wall cabinets, and this is what it looked like before we put the wall cabinets on. So we'll have a look at what we've gained by putting them cupboards up. So I'll show you the work surface. So that's where all that junk was. All that wood. That's the cupboards. Wood and spirit levels up there. And that's what we've gained, space we've gained. I'm going to have to put the jointer and thicknesser back up there, and the drill press. I'll show you that with them two on there in a minute, hold on. So, I think that looks quite presentable. I'll just open the cupboards for you, just to show you what we put in there. So yeah, all I've got to do now is tidy my cupboards out. I just throwed everything in there that was on there for now, and I'll go through that and tidy them out. But that's the net gain of putting them two cupboards up.